Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today I have a 2016 Ford Ranger, stock number 5947. This ran from 06-2015 to 04-2022. Has a P4AT 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the P4AT 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, one small dent. Left front 16-inch steel rim, good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, 2 small dents. Left rear 16-inch factory steel mag, good tyre. Right rear 16-inch factory steel mag, good tyre. Right front 16-inch factory steel mag, good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory stereo. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Factory 4-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.